Good morning, children. Welcome to General Science class. And in this video, we are going to discuss Chapter 4 Insects. We see many insects around us every day. Example ant, honeybee, housefly, butterfly. So, these are some common insects that we can see around us almost every day. Insects do not have bones like human beings. They have a hard outer covering and that is called exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is made up of chitin. So we can say that an insect's body is divided into three main parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Now let us discuss each part of an insect's body. The head consists of two eyes, a mouth, and an antenna. Antenna helps them to smell and feel. Different insects have different types of mouth depending on the type of food they eat. As you can see in the picture, butterfly and honeybees have coiled feeding tube so that they can suck nectar from flowers. So, depending on the food habits, all the insects have different kinds of mouth. The middle portion of an insect's body is called thorax. Wings and legs are attached to this part. Insects have three pairs of legs or six legs. The third part of an insect's body is called the abdomen. It is the back portion of an insect's body. Stomach, heart, and excretory system are present in the abdomen. We know that insects breathe through small air holes which are called spiracles, and these spiracles are also present on both sides of the abdomen. Life cycle of an insect. Life cycle means the stages a living thing goes through during its life. All insects lay eggs, they hatch into young ones, and the young ones grow into adults. Let us see the life cycle of a butterfly. The first stage of the life cycle of a butterfly is that of an egg. The female butterfly lays eggs on the plant's leaves. In these eggs, the caterpillars grow. The eggs take a few days or weeks to hatch, or sometimes they hatch when the weather is warm. In the second stage of life cycle of a butterfly, the larva or caterpillar comes out of the egg. The second stage lasts for several weeks, and during this time the larva is just eating leaves, plants or insects and sleeping. The larva or caterpillar sheds its skin 4 to 5 times. The reason is, as the caterpillar keeps eating, it grows and its skin becomes tight and splits open. In the third stage, the fully grown caterpillar surrounds itself into a cocoon called pupa. Pupa is a form of the vessel in which the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. The third stage lasts for a few weeks to months. The hard shell of pupa saves the butterfly from outside weather, predators, or any other danger. And inside the pupa, the caterpillar forms tissues, limbs, organs, and wings to transform into a wonderful butterfly. Now let us discuss some social insects. Social insects are those insects who live together in groups so that they can protect themselves from their enemies. They can share food, work, and shelter. Examples of social insects are ant, bee, termites, etc. The ants dig their ant holes in soil, sand, or hollow logs. Honeybees also have one queen bee that lay eggs, and the worker bees collect nectar from the flowers to make honey, and they also look after the queen. Honeybees are kept in man-made hives to obtain honey and wax. This process is called apiculture. Some insects are useful to us and some are harmful for us. Insects like honeybee, dragonfly, silkworm, these are useful insects. From honeybee, we get honey and beeswax. And beeswax are used to make candles, soap, and crayons. Dragonflies feed on mosquitoes that are harmful to us. Silkworm gives us silk. Silk threads, silk clothes are made from silk. So they are useful insects. There are some insects which are very harmful for us. They spread dangerous diseases and they also harm to plants as well as animals. Some of harmful insects are mosquitoes. As we know that mosquitoes spread dangerous diseases like malaria and dengue and they feed on human blood. Termites. Termites damages our wooden furnitures and books. Silverfish, they are mostly active at night and silverfish cause damage to books, stored food, clothes, etc. They live in damp places. Locust is very dangerous for the crop fields because it destroys the crop field. Bedbugs also feed on human blood. They bite usually at night and it causes skin rashes, allergy, redness in the skin, etc. Apart from these insects, there are some other insects also which cause harm to us, like flies, ants, cockroaches. They carry germs with them and they may cause many diseases. Head lice are also harmful for us. So, children, from this chapter, we have learned a lot about insects, how they are useful to us, and which insects are harmful to us, and the dangerous effect caused by insects. So, I hope now you will keep yourself safe from the harmful insects. I hope all of you have understood this lesson. Thank you, all of you.